Hello students, time for the solution, and hopefully you have given a try, and if you have done it correctly then thumbs up, or otherwise watch this video. So first of all, we are going to ask the end user that with which name they want to create a new sheet. So for this I am typing a random variable. I have given a name S name, which is sheet name. You can give any name to the variable which you want, and I'm going to use the method input box and going to type the message which I want to display. Type new sheet name. Okay, so whichever name the user has given, that's going to store in S name variable. Now I need to type the method in order to create a new sheet. So for this I'm typing sheets dot add, and after parameter has been highlighted because I have given comma. Now after which sheet is going to add, I've told you that new sheet has to be the last sheet always. However, in this particular case, if I'm going to mention Shyam and a new sheet has been created after Shyam, in the next time when the macro will be run, Shyam is not going to be the last sheet, but after Shyam only a new sheet will be created, so that will not be the last sheet. However, so I'm going to use the index number method. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type sheets, and I need to give the index number of the last sheet. I mean, how many sheets are there in the workbook, that I need to count, and I have told you the method to do that. So for this I'm going to type sheets dot count. So now you can understand that is going to create a new sheet after the last sheet, and with the similar method I can give a name to this also. So I'm going to type sheets, then again sheets dot count name. What name I want to give? As name. So this has been created. Let's see how it's going to work. Okay, I'm going to run this. Okay, it's asking for the name. I have given him, and click on OK. A new sheet has been created, and that's the last sheet. Again I'm going to run this. I'm typing him1, and him1 is the last sheet. Another alternate to this is, whenever new sheet is being created, that's an active sheet actually. So a new method which you can use is the active sheet method. Active sheet dot name equal to S name. You can do this as well. So I'm going to run this, and I'm going to give a name, let's say Kavita, and another sheet has been added with the name Kavita and the last one. So this is how this need to be done. In the next video we are going to cover the workbook related properties. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.